Well, hello YouTube, it's Paul. Welcome to the channel. You know, Ben and I just got back from a nice little paddle. Went kayaking up to the sandbar, and he went swimming for about an hour or so. And I just paddled around waiting for him, and we just got back. It's about 8:30 or so. It's a kind of a relaxing summer evening. No bugs out, just chilling here on the balcony. And I thought, may as well, I got $30 of half-dollar rolls left, so I thought, why not? May as well go through those and see if we get any silver in there. So I'm going to set up the table, and I'll be right back at you. Alright, well, keep your fingers crossed, guys. I think you can see Ben out there. Yep, just at the end of the dock, swimming. He's got his mask on. I don't know if he even knows. I don't know if that's a good thing or not. Anyway. See what we got here. Not feeling overly lucky, but you never know. 72 right off the bat. And I see a bunch of browns. So let's say, yep, that roll is a dud right off the get-go. And when I saw these were rolled in the same paper rolls, the exact same ones that the tellers give me when I want to re-roll mine, I didn't have a lot of, holy cow, ow, okay. That's like a reenactment of Ben the bee cam, and there's a yell jacket that was stuck on this side of the glass. He flew off, but he wasn't too happy there for a minute. I wonder what on earth Ben was doing to make that buzzing sound. Shoot, all browns. Don't that be it all? Bicentennials. Yeah. Got a couple, 3 bicentennials, looks like. It's no good. Alright. I'm going to look through them later, but I'm figuring that to be a dud. Good guys. Can you see it? Ben's doing like a, looks like a drowned rat down there. What on earth's the kid doing? Oh, I gotta show you this. That's my dumb dog. Barking at nothing, I'm sure. Oh, this'll have to make the... Shut up! This'll have to be on the blooper roll for sure. Hold on. Okay, I'm back. I'm not entirely sure if the dogs actually ate somebody or not. I'd give it about a 50-50 probability whether they did. So, there's Ben impersonating a drowned rat. He has no clue. So, anyway, we'll get to the last roll. They'll definitely have to go on the blooper roll. Okay. Now after the dog interruptions and the bee interruptions, we'll get to the last roll here. No good. No good. Darn it. I'm close. 73s. 94. 74. 74s. I'm close, guys. Alright. Well, you never know until you check. You know. Okay. I don't know if I'll go back to bank. Said they had about $500-600 worth. I'm assuming somebody just dumped these probably, so I don't think I'll be in a hurry to go back and get some more of these here rolls. I really had my suspicions when I saw the exact paper rolls that they give me, so. Alright, guys, thanks for stopping by, sharing a little bit of the peaceful evening, and the drowned rat can, the bee. So, we appreciate your time. Take it easy, and we'll see you soon.